Hello everyone! Today I'd like to share clay pot braised tofu and cabbage. This is an authentic home-cooked dish popular among the Chinese household. It is normally braised in a clay pot, which adds an earthy aroma to the dish. But if you don't have a clay pot, just prepare it in a large pan or the wok. The preparation of the clay pot tofu recipe is easy and can be done within 30 minutes. First, you want to soak the glass noodles in a bowl of warm water for 15 minutes. Napa cabbage is the base of the dish, and I'm using half of it and peel off the outer leaves, then slice the remaining stems and leaves into roughly quarter-inch shreds. Firm tofu is recommended for the recipe. We'll cut tofu into thick slices. 2 to 3 scallions sliced into 2 inches in length. And optional 2 Thai chilies thinly sliced. Crush 4 to 6 garlic cloves. We'll also need to prepare sauce for the dish. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon 5 spices, 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Then mix really well. Okay, now let's go ahead and stir-fry ground pork first. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Then I'm using half a pound of ground pork. Over a medium-high heat, we're going to stir-fry ground pork until all the moisture is evaporated. Stir-fry for a couple of minutes, then I'll add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon 13 spices powder, or you can use a 5 spices powder as well. Continue to toss around for a couple of minutes, then we'll add 3 to 4 bay leaves. Cover with the lid and we'll let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes cooking, ground pork should be ready. All the moisture has been evaporated, and we'll remove bay leaves out of the pan and give a few stir. You almost want to overcook the pork a little bit, something like this, have that beautiful crust around the meat. Take out the ground pork from the pan and using the oil from the ground pork to pan fry tofu. Firm tofu is recommended for this recipe. Tofu is an excellent source of protein, which makes it a balanced meal even without ground pork. So if you want to make this vegetarian, just remove the pork. We'll pan fry tofu until golden color on both sides. And be gentle when we flip tofu. We wanted to keep tofu in shape. Fry until both sides of tofu have a beautiful golden brown color like this. It is perfect. Now let's assemble everything into clay pot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the clay pot, add in Thai chili and crushed garlic. Give a couple stir until you smell aroma. Then we'll lay all cabbage on the bottom of the clay pot, then glass noodles, and lastly we'll put fried tofu on top. Fill scallions and pour sauce in. Add fried ground pork on top. Then add the remaining scallions on top of the ground pork and cover with the lid. Let it simmer over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the solids of tender, soft Napa cabbage is cooked long enough. The cabbage's white, waxy stalks turn translucent, releasing their sweet and mild juice into the pot. The cabbage releases a lot of liquid, and the tofu acts as a sponge and it takes on any flavor added to it. Korean sweet potato glass noodles lend filling bulk to the dish. They're chewy, tender, and very satisfying to slurp up. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking, everyone. Until next time.